Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Friday, May 6th. Let's find out what is on our number corner calendar. We have been dealing with our froggy friend Tad, who's been hopping all over our hundreds chart. Let's find out what number we'll land on today. We actually moved yesterday from the number 53 over 3 numbers, and we landed on the number 56. 56. So let's see what will happen this day. Okay, we're on the number 56, and we have to go up 3. We've talked about going up and down on our hundreds chart. When we go up 3, are we adding or are we subtracting? Ooh, good job. You remembered. We are subtracting. So let's look at this. If we're on the number 56 and we go up 3, 1, 2, I apologize. Let me go back. Let me make sure you have the right book and page because that's important every day. Please pull out that number corner book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. Here we go. Pull it out. Here we go. You want to turn this book to page 63. Page 63. Super important. Remember, we're using this the entire month. So have it every day ready for number corner. You're using it every day for number corner in the month of May. Now that we have this page, then we're going to go to our hundreds chart. And the number we ended up on yesterday was 56. So we're starting at 56 because that's what Tad showed us. He said, right now I'm on 56 and we're going up 1, 2, 3. So we're on 56. And we're going up 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're on the number 26. And when we go up 3, how much did we really subtract? Let me do that. So if we have 56, and what we really did is subtract 10, 20, 30. Whoa, we just learned a new math fact. 56 minus 30 helps us end up on what number? What was that number again? 26. Great job. So I'm coloring that in. 26. And I have to say this, we will not be in class tomorrow because tomorrow is a Saturday. So why don't we just do Saturday's card? It says, there it goes. It's getting away. Hop, Tad, hop. 240. All right, All Star. So we had 26 as a number we landed on. And what we're going to do is look at Saturday's card. Since we won't be here on Saturday tomorrow, let's just do this one today. It says, there it goes. It's getting away. Hop, Tad, hop. 248. So, wow. We're on the number 26, and we're trying to go to the number 48. 48. So in order to go over to 48, we need to go over to the right, 1, 2, and then down, 1, 2. So let's do that. We were on the number 26, and so we went over 2, and down 2. 26, and then when we go 1, 2, that's 2. We go down. 10, 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We end up on the number 48. But can I say this to you, All Stars? Oh, this month is going to be juicy. We are going to be adding bigger math facts. And we're going to use those arrows to tell us how much to move. So we went from the number 26 over to the right, 1, 2, and then we went down 10, 20, which made 22, and helped us land on the number 48. Ooh, this is going to be juicy fun. Oh, I'm super excited about these activities for this month. Make sure you have colored in all of the information we have discussed. And I look forward to doing more of these with you this month. Off you go.